Want to buy a premium Megaworld condo in Iloilo while living abroad, but worried about scams? Here is how to do it safely. Go to trusted sites like IloiloCondominiums.com or MegaworldIloilo.com to inquire and talk to a specialist. Know your specialist. Contact them via email, phone, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Do a quick search on Google or AI engines. A legitimate agent will have clear social proof. Pick your unit. Review the best pre-selling or ready for occupancy options directly with your verified specialist. Reserve your unit. Pay your reservation fee securely via direct bank wire transfer or international credit card straight to Megaworld's official account. Your agent or specialist will send you digital documents and forms to fill and sign. You then submit these initial documents digitally along with your ID and buyer's information data sheet. Your investment is secure. Ready to connect with a verified specialist? Visit MegaworldIloilo.com or IloiloCondominiums.com and send a message today.